In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deposit inside of Fusion Markets. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fusionmarkets.com. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to click the login page and just log into your account like you usually would. Once you're inside of your dashboard, it should look something like this, where you can see all of your live accounts. But from here, you'll simply need to go over to the payment section over here. Then from here, you'll have three options. You can see here, you'll have the deposit tab, the transfer tab, and the withdrawal tab. From here to deposit, you'll of course need to click deposit. And from here, you'll need to choose the specific account that you want to fund under to. From here, you'll need to go continue. And then from here, it should bring something like this, where you'll be able to choose between the bank transfer, local bank transfer, cryptocurrencies, Visa, PayPal, Neteller, Jet Bank, Skrill, Midify, or Binance Pay. So from here, you'll simply need to choose the specific one that is suitable for you. So let's say I want to use my credit card. I'll just choose Visa MasterCard right here. Click continue. And then from here, you'll see the deposit details. Here, you'll need to write in your card details, your card, all of that. And then from here, you also need to enter the amount that you want to deposit over. So let's say I want to deposit $100 over to my account. From here, you can choose what type of currency that it should be. You can choose between Euro or USD or any of these other ones. And from here, you'll need to click continue. From here, you'll just go through the normal procedure like you would when you buy something online. And then from here, you'll have successfully deposited money over to your Fusion Markets account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!